Ever since I was a young boy, I have loved music. As I was brought up in a church, I was exposed to live music from a very young age. I would see the church band jumping and playing their instruments, and I would get very excited seeing them going all out while playing their songs. That sparked off my interest in music. When I was 7, I asked my parents if I could take up a musical instrument in the hope of getting to learn guitar. My parents, however, insisted on having me learn the piano instead. I was reluctant but did it in obedience. After finishing up my grade 6 in piano and musical theory, I decided to stop learning and took a break from music to focus on my PSLE. When I was in secondary school 2 years later, I decided to start learning the guitar. Meanwhile, I was starting to get attracted to this girl whom I had been friends with since primary 4. Valentine's Day was approaching and I wanted to ask her to be my girlfriend. Not knowing how I should go about doing it, I decided to sing and play her a song on my guitar. Soon, Valentine's Day came and I brought her to a nearby void deck after school to sing the song to her. As I was still a beginner, I did not know how to play the song very well, not to mention my very raw and untrained singing voice and my problem with stage fright. I sang my heart out though, and at the end all she had to say was, "What was that? That was terrible. And also, I'm not looking for a relationship right now." After that, she just took her bag and walked off. We haven't spoken since. Of course, I was sad for a very long time, but if not for this incident, I would never have gotten the motivation to practice even harder and get even better with my guitaring skills. And of course, gain the confidence I needed to audition for my church band, which I'm a part of right now. I formed my own band just recently, and we have been jamming and making our own music for a period of time already. My moral of the story is that failing should never beat us down. Instead, it should be a motivation for us to try harder the next time.